Sure.
So, skater. Did you bring the hard hat?
I did.
Okay. So, pay attention on where you're going to be going now. Things may shake. Good. Stop. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Good girl. Look. Front. Front. Good job. Look at me right here. Over here. You're coming right here. Good job. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Good girl. But I would like to see those reins a little shorter.
Let me change.
Come on, you can slim down. Shorten up your reins. Don't go over those. Don't. Look. Lean back. Slow down. Stop him. Now. No. Stop him. Put him in a corner. Go into a corner. Drop your whip.
Yeah, I think he's going to be a little too strong for her.
Down. Oh, look at the flying.
Look at his lead changes, though. He's like, I got those.
Okay,
Put him in
slow
a
down.
circle, Darby.
Please walk. Sit back. And
Darby, sit in your saddle and brace your back.
Sit.
Brace your back.
Walk.
Whoa. Say
Slow
whoa.
down.